Good morning, students. So in the previous video we have solved two questions of exercise 2.1. So in continuation to that we are going to solve some more problems of the same exercise. So let us see question number 3. Give one example each of binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. So we can see two questions are there. The same question has two parts. One is binomial of degree 35 and other one we have to form is monomial of degree 100. Now in the previous video I have told you what do you mean by binomial. So a expression which contains two terms, that is called as a binomial. So we need to have two terms to make a binomial, and the condition is that in that binomial the highest degree should be how much? 35. So let us write like this: 32x. So in one we can write as 35. So now you see I have given one simple example: 3x to the power 35 plus 32x. Now see, this expression satisfies both the terms. It is a binomial also, as because it has two terms, as well as in one of the term the highest power is 35. In the similar manner you can make your own examples, but the thing is that it should have two terms and one term should have the highest power as 35. Okay, now we see the second part. And the monomial of degree 100. Monomial means which has only one term. For example, suppose 4y. This is a monomial. Okay, and the degree required is how much? 100. So we have to raise the power of y to 100. Now this is a monomial and the highest power of y is 100. So we can say this is a monomial of degree 100. So in the exam question may come to make a binomial or monomial, or it can be a cubic polynomial of several degrees. So in this manner we can make. Now let us see question number 4. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So some questions are there, we will see some questions and we will classify which are linear, which are quadratic and which are cubic. So I will just brush up your knowledge. Linear means, remember, the highest power of the variable should be 1. For example, 4x, or we can say 2z. The highest power of the variable should be always 1. So that is called as the linear. If the highest power of the variable is suppose 2, for example 2x square, then we can call as the quadratic. If the highest power is 3, then we call as the cubic. Let us see some questions from the textbook. X square plus x. So x is a variable. In this x the highest power is 1 and in this x the highest power is 2. So the highest power of the variable is 2. So we can say that this expression is a quadratic polynomial. Why quadratic? Because the highest power of the variable is 2. Let us see question number 2. Y plus y square plus 4. This is the variable, y is the variable and the highest power is how much? 2. So we can also call as same, that is quadratic. T square, highest power is how much? 2. So also we can call as the quadratic. Suppose for example 4x plus y. We have two different variables and the highest degree is how much? 1. So this is also we can call as the linear. So remember, to be linear, the highest power of the variable in the whole expression should be always 1. If it is quadratic, the highest power of the variable in the entire expression or polynomial should be 2. If the highest power is 3 in the whole expression, we will call as the cubic polynomial. Thank you.